Join our Friday and Saturday Zooms for 3 hours of hands-on AHK teaching and support. Get unstuck and level up in real time. Our club's Telegram crew is all about collaboration and friendships. See how others tackle AHK challenges and feel the group energy.
I think another interesting thing, would you talk again, Irfund, about how you got the pseudo hotkeys
From the menus?
from the menus? Yes.
No.
Uh,
Oh, so for AHK editor,
yes.
the script neck. Okay, let me go there and
Script writer,
script maker.
script maker. Yes.
Okay, so I have this class sign hotkey, and what it does, it is okay. This class is dealing with all the hotkey assigning. I think you want to know about how I do the assigning of the hotkey to the specific label.
Yes.
Well, how it was being done without you even doing anything, Irfund, I think is what Connie was. You know what I mean? We're not talking about the triggers class, is my point.
Right. You put it in the GUI, define the hotkeys in the GUI, as I recall.
Right.
And my program that looks for hotkeys does not see them. So,
Right.
and
So
so how are they registered to the system?
Yeah, so like that Control W there, the 391, right? That is a hotkey, but there's no hotkey function that declares it. This is it, right?
no, this is the action, I think. Where is my menus? Okay, add menu. This function. So assign hotkey have 3 objects. So this assign hotkey class. So the one is 3 map. There are 3 maps, I think. I am giving them labels without the hotkey. So I'm removing them with the tab. And the label and the menu reference and the callback. So all are saved in here, kind of. These 3 maps. Okay. So from there, I am building the whole list view, I think. Not the list view. Right now we are using drop-down list. And with the drop-down list, we can change the hotkey. And we remove the previous hotkey and assign new hotkeys. And then change the label. To change the label, I have to hotkey to a string and string to hotkey. I have these function too. And sign of the new hotkey, what it's doing. It is, yeah, it is just getting the current text, which is the label name, current hotkey. So let me just run it. If it is running, I don't know if it will run or not, because I think I should move back I should switch to the previous version. Okay, why? I have changes.
Just run the binary.
Binary would also causing issues with me. So let me just switch to the different branch and run it. Okay, let me do continue in there. Okay, so here if I go to the assign hotkey, so I have this menu, and these are all the labels, and each label has its own hotkey, and and it is mentioned in this class, assign hotkey class. So whenever I want some menu from so mostly I'm for example, these are the menus. So I add them as a menu using the function UI menus. Okay. Where is the add menu function? Here. I give it a menu reference, label reference, and callback. And let me see where I'm using it, add menu function. So for example, so I give it a menu reference, which I created. I give them the label with the default hotkey, and I give them the function call. So which function to call with this hotkey. And AutoHotkey remembers all of the pointers to the callback and the labels. They are all saved into these labels, and then I'm using all of these. That's how I'm handling those.
Can you go back to the one you were just on before this? So correct me if I'm wrong, like this list here, that's what Connie should say to AI, hey, we need to be watching for these as well. Is that right?
Yes, you can give this function to AI and this function, and give this class to AI, and you can ask him to develop your you want to use this class for your menus, and he will tell you how to use it.
Well,
So
but he has a tool like our AHK hotkey lookup tool that lists all hotkeys from AutoHotkey scripts. And he's trying to make sure that it pulls ours as well. So he needs to look at how those are being built, and then his tool will know to go look at this file, although we're probably compiling it, Connie, which will make it obviously impossible. But yeah, for the non-compiled version, you could still get those. Tap into over 466 plus hours of AHK video gold, including fresh clips like this, for any time learning that fits your schedule. Grab 25% off all our AHK goodies, courses, scripts, and custom work so you save cash while building your toolkit like a boss.